You can't even imagine what a miracle of engineering is behind these thin gloves that we see almost everywhere. First of all, these gloves start with only one liquid mixture, aqueous. But here is where the excitement begins. This liquid is dropped into a giant molding glove, and within seconds it begins to mold. Have you ever wondered about the magical journey behind a simple pencil that you hold in your hand? Well then, hold on tight, because we are going to discover how an ordinary pencil comes to life through an extraordinary process. It all starts with the careful selection of high-quality steel sheets. Huge press machines apply tons of pressure to turn the steel into the basic shape of the shovel head. Now we move on to the sharpening and shaping phase. The final step is to assemble the shovel head and the handle. This sand is mixed with soda ash and limestone to create the basic formula for glass. This mixture is heated to exactly 1,500 degrees Celsius in huge furnaces. The molten glass turns into a viscous liquid that shines like gold. The glass, which is shaped in molds, is inflated by air pressure to gain a hollow form. Even watching at this stage is fascinating. It all starts with the arrival of high-quality steel wire coils at the factory. These steel wires are specially selected for flexibility and durability. In the first step, the wires enter straightening machines and are straightened with millimeter precision. This stage is critical for the perfect shaping of the paper clips. Once the mixture is ready, the shaping phase begins. High-tech press machines compress this dough with high pressure to create tiles in the desired size and pattern. During this process, each tile is shaped like a canvas. Everything starts with the melting of iron ore extracted from nature in blast furnaces. This molten metal is poured into molds in huge foundries and turned into steel billets. These billets, which cool and harden, form the raw material of the nail. Then, the steel billets are sent to facilities called rolling mills. Here, they are hammered and drawn repeatedly under high pressure and temperature until they become thin wire. We take you through the fascinating production process of steel chains, the symbol of durability. Are you ready to learn how these sturdy structures are born? Let's get started without wasting time. It all starts with the wonderful properties of glass. In special glass factories, sand and other minerals are melted at high temperatures to form smooth, clear glass tubes. These glass tubes are ready to be transformed into the iconic shape of the light bulb. The plastic bottle manufacturing process is much more complex and impressive than you think. A simple bottle? Think again. These incredible machines melt the plastic and inject it into molds at a tremendous speed, giving it the shape of a bottle in seconds. But do you know how durable and lightweight these bottles are? Thanks to this technology. Paper cups, an indispensable part of our daily lives, are actually not as simple as they seem. It's hard to believe that the coffee cup you buy at any cafe is produced in the blink of an eye, but behind this process lies a true marvel of engineering. From the outside, it may look like an ordinary beverage can, but the production process of aluminum cans is a true marvel of engineering. The stages that the can goes through until it reaches you proceed with mesmerizing speed and precision. Bricks are the basic building blocks of the construction world, but have you ever thought about how they are produced in a factory? Now, you will witness the incredible journey of a brick from the soil to the construction site. In the first step, the raw material, clay, is excavated and transported by giant machines. Then comes the most interesting part, drying and firing. When you think of tires, do you only think of a black round piece? However, these black rings are the product of a very complex and extremely precise production process. Here is a journey into the production process of tires. Have you ever wondered how those colorful and impressive fireworks that explode in the sky are produced? Each firework is truly a work of art, and the process behind this work of art is more amazing than you can imagine.